cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.
To add an image gallery to a page, of course, go to the page you would like to add the gallery to. Then, click on the Edit icon. When the editor opens, make sure to place your cursor on a new line when adding a gallery. You should always put your gallery on a new line. If you put your cursor at the beginning of a paragraph, in the middle of a paragraph, or at the end of a paragraph, it will mess up the formatting on your page. So just make a new line and make sure your cursor is there. Once your cursor is on a new line, you can now click the Image Gallery icon. The Image Gallery dialog box will pop up. To select images, you can either click here or drag and drop multiple images into this area. For now, I'm going to click here. To select multiple images from your device, click and hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then click each image. You'll notice there is a light blue background behind each image. Once you're done selecting all your images, click the Open button. The images will upload. This time, I'm going to leave all options as is and click Insert to Editor. And there's our gallery. Along with the images, you'll see that there is placeholder text, Gallery End and Gallery Start. You can delete this text when you are ready. For now, let's save the page. The images are clickable and pop up to their full size. Visitors can click here and scroll through the images if they like, or click each individual image. Let's add another gallery and take a look at the options. Click the Edit icon, place the cursor on a new line, and then click the Image Gallery icon. Select multiple images by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and clicking each image. When you're done selecting your images, click the Open button. The images will upload. The first option is Rearrange Images. Click, hold, drag. Click, hold the left mouse button down and drag the image to the position you want it to be in. The second option is Images per row, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's click 2 this time. Border Shadow, border and shadow, border only, or none. This time, let's select border only. Add image title text placeholders. This time, yes. Text title position above or below. Let's put it above. Alignment center. Add image description text placeholders. No or yes. Let's add yes. Text position below image. Let's put it to the left. Pop-up. Let's leave it yes as it is. And then insert into the editor. There's our gallery. As we selected 2 images per row, you will see 2 images per row. Here's our title. We can edit this if we like. This is takoyaki. We had takoyaki in Osaka. Don't forget to save your page. Let's edit this page and delete a gallery. To delete a gallery, you can select from the very start of the gallery to the very end and press delete on your keyboard. And the gallery is gone. Don't forget to click save at the bottom of the page.
cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.